Hi friends, today we are going to see how to use the basic tools in SketchUp. First, cursor tool. Cursor tool is used to select a object or select a surface, select a line, select anything also. But cursor tool is useful to another way. When we use the cursor to select an object from the right side, it will only be selected when we select it fully. But when we select an object from the left side, even if we lightly select the object, it will fully get selected. Next, eraser tool. We can use it to erase any line or any shape also. Next, pencil tool. It is used to draw any type of lines, and we can even use freehand also. Next, arc tool. There are four types of arc. First one, arc. It will give a arc with center point. Second type, two-point arc. It will give a arc with starting point and ending point of the arc line with the distance of the arc angle. The third type, three-point arc. It is started with a point and ending with a point. In between it had a point, it is angle point. Fourth, pi. It is similar to first type of arc and defaultly made its surface. Next, rectangle tool. We can just draw a rectangle using this tool. If we want to give a particular size, we can select the tool and left click in the mouse, drag a little bit and type the length and breadth using comma in the middle and press enter. Next, rotated rectangle. We can draw the rectangle in any degree, but we have picked 3 points. Next, circle. Click the circle tool and left click in working surface by mouse. Then type the radius of the circle, press enter. Next, polygon. Polygon has 6 faces. Click the tool and left click in mouse, slightly drag it, type a size and press enter. Next, push tool. Take the tool and click on the surface of any object and drag it upward. Next, offset. If you already have an object, take this tool, click the border of the object and offset it. Then you will get the same shape inside. We can use this tool to any two-dimensional shape also. Next, move command. Move command is used to move an object or line or anything also. Next, rotate tool. We can use this tool to rotate an object to a specific degree. Next, scale. First, click the object, which object you want to scale it, and use the scale tool to click on the object. If it is a 2D object, it will show 8 points, and if it is a 3D object, it will show 24 points. Select any side you want and drag it to any points you want. Next, measurement tool, used to measure an object. Another benefit of this tool is reduce or increase the measurement of any object. For an example, this is in 12.10 inches. When I type 6 feet and press enter, the whole working surface will reduce up to 6 feet of this object ratio. Next, paint bucket tool. Click the tool and choose any component from the right side dialog box. Then go to the object and click on it. The component which you choose will be applied. Suppose if the dots or diagrams on the material is very small, we can use the settings and give a size to it. Next, orbit tool. We use this tool to rotate and see all the sides of our working surface. Next, pan tool. It had a hand icon. It is just used to move the working area. It's finished, but before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.